Meaning of fighter bomber.
Fighter bomber.
Fighter bomber.
Fighter bomber.
Fighter bomber. A fighter bomber is a type of military aircraft that has the ability to perform both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. These aircraft are designed to deliver bombs, rockets, and missiles on enemy targets, while also providing support for troops on the ground. Fighter bombers can provide close air support, suppress enemy air defenses, and conduct reconnaissance missions. They are often used in offensive operations against enemy targets, including enemy ground troops, vehicles, and structures. The versatility of fighter bombers makes them a valuable asset to modern military forces around the world.